School.
It's boring.
Yeah, it's pretty boring.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what you're doing. YouTube. Nice. Hair flip. Awesome. Yeah. Rocking the hair flip.
Yeah.
Here, Kelvin, give us a little hair flip. Come on. Do a little hair flip. See what you can do. Okay, just shoo us
How do you
away.
do that double jump thing?
Cool.
Double jump, what?
I don't know where they got this. You wanna know what's funny? You said, I never noticed how funny I am when I act retarded.
Again, I was just saying Beethoven in a bunch of different ways.
Why is it so close to your face?
I don't know.
Like, you need to put it out like right here.
My hair was kind of messy that day.
It looks kind of the same. Just
Not really.
like, it's like right here.
Well, it's kind of like popping out this way.
Okay, we get it. We get it. Okay. No.
Oh.
You're already over it. I don't care. It's okay. What happened to that one?
That jacket? Oh, I just don't wear it anymore. I like this camo one more.
Why don't you wear it?
I don't know. I don't really like it. Plus, it gets too hot.
How old were you in this?
Same age.
Whoa! Whoa.
What?
My first cover.
Oh, trust me, it's not that good.
What is it about?
It's just me singing "We Are" by Hollywood Undead. Trust me, it's not that good. I don't even have music in the background. Dude, don't turn it up. Come on. Seriously.
We Are by Hollywood Undead. It's one of my favorite songs, but I feel
Hair flip.
like
Yeah. Okay. Well, 2 minutes. I think this has been a nice wrap up of what's going on.